Hello everybody, today we'll be playing Realistic Shotgun. This is a $5 game. It's actually like really fun. So, oh yeah. I only have one block with it. Need to have that at 0 and then you can get your shot range. I'm gonna get it up to 150. If you equip. This is basically an infinite range. And that should be my first tutorial on laser skulls are gonna be my first guys. Those are gonna be the first guys. I'm gonna turn unlimited health and unlimited fuel on, and then so in order to start these you need the grapple hook for this, and then you do that, and then you will shoot. Okay, so you gotta do that, you do that, and then you get all of those steps. Infinite. So I just start. And then got them. And then it's really easy. I need to level 7. And we're gonna see how hard this game is. Everybody, all my viewers, I don't know why I hit things and why. I need to get out of the range so I can jump. I'm just gonna start spamming this until I get up to 200. There. I'm gonna deal with the be killing a couple guys who stopped my lab. No, I like Shit, trip it. How laggy is my game? Not playing. That's it for right now, everybody. Goodbye. Oh. This video right now, everybody. Goodbye. Zero shotgun.